Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got another home decor box, which I absolutely love because you never really know what you're going to get. This is a box from 888 Lots. I have the link down in the description if you want to buy from there yourself. I also have some international sister companies for you as well, for those of you who are international buyers, so you don't have to buy from the United States company. But this is awesome. We waited and watched this lot of boxes. Now this was $87. Now you can't buy just one box from 888 Lots. Usually they come in sets of 4, sets of 6, things like that. So go on there, check it out, and see if you like it. They do have a manifest for stuff. So let's see what's inside this box and if we can find some good deals.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so we're going to get inside this $87 888 Lots box, home decor. I don't know if it's just decor, if it's just stuff randomly for the home, like storage shelves or something, but we're going to see what's in there. Well, we see pretty things already. All right, Fairfax collection. This is a tablecloth, 60-inch round tablecloth. Looks like a vinyl one. Then it looks like we've got some plastic tablecloths, 84 inches. Looks like round. Another 84-inch, and another 84-inch. Make sure that you stay tuned to the very end of this video, because I will be pricing each and every item we pull out of the box so you know exactly how much we intend to sell it for. And if you're interested, you can always contact us and say, hey, I just saw you unbox the 84-inch round green tablecloths, and I want to buy those at the price you said. So just always let me know, because we would definitely love to be able to sell them to you. And we have a bunch of graduate plates, lots of them.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Graduate in May?
Yeah, graduation is happening in May, so you could stock up now at a really discounted price. There are 8 of them in each, and they're actually relatively thick. They're not the wimpy ones, so those are nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Some yellow zigzag ones. So if your school colors are yellow, there you go. Or Easter. Yeah, they do look like Easter eggs, don't they? 8 of them, 3 packs of those. Then we have, this is 4-pack wood bangle bracelet. Ooh, let's look inside there and see what kind of bracelets are in there.
I bet you there'll be wood bangle.
You think there'll be wood bangle ones? Good guess, Paul. All right. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Look at those.
Almost looks like something almost like a crown.
Yeah. Here, let me set this here.
Yeah, you paint them. See?
You paint them? Oh, that is
That
cool.
is cool.
Yeah.
Do-it-yourself bracelet.
Free design ideas inside. Cool. So inside this little thingy, there's some directions on how to do it. That is really neat. Wood bangle bracelets. They fit my wrists. I'll be able to get it on. I didn't want to get it on and then not be able to get it off the whole time. So, alrighty, cool. Set of 2 Moscow Mule mugs with 2 shot glasses. They're 100% copper.
Cool.
16 ounce. Those are really pretty. This would be a fun just home decor. You could put a potted plant in there.
Yeah.
Or you could use them like actual mugs. I actually just watched a show that said that copper is a really good antimicrobial. So if you're worried about germs and things like that, they clean really well. So anyway, things you learn while you watch TV sometimes. Home motion sensor remotely monitors movement inside your home. So that's what it looks like.
Neat.
Yeah, that'd be handy. Then we have Lakeside Drive. This is just 250 folded napkins. A couple of packs of those. Throw those with the graduation plates and you got yourself a party. Then we have Extreme Outdoor. This is a Velcro tape.
Yeah.
For fasteners. Look at the back. It says it'll hold a potted plant.
Yeah, it's heavy duty.
Yeah, that's some good stuff. I have a brick wall that's actually on the interior of my home, and I always want to hang something there, and it's really frustrating because you don't want to put a hole inside where the brick is, but these work really well on that brick. So if you have any kind of textured wall, that would be a good handy item. Mystery black box. Is it a black box like from an airplane? Okay, let's see what's inside. Something with foam. Oh, this is cool. It's an hourglass.
Oh, that is really cool. That is neat.
Paul, I think you should put this on the pulpit.
Yeah.
And when the sand is done, you have to stop preaching.
There you go.
There's a deacon at our church that would get a kick out of that. This is really, really awesome.
It's glass, isn't it?
It is a glass hourglass, yes. Really nice. It's really cool. We'll have to look that up and see how much it's worth. Like, I just want to stand here and stare at it. But you guys want to see what else is in the box. So we're not going to stand here and stare at it. I will stare at it when we're off camera sometime. Waste my time. Literally, time. All right, then we have magnetic salt and pepper shakers.
They're dogs.
It says they're called a long love affair.
They kiss.
They do. They're magnetic, so they kiss each other.
Neat.
Look it. Read this little circle. A most acceptable gift for any occasion. A most acceptable. Not completely acceptable, but mostly acceptable. I just thought that was a funny way to phrase it. This is a really neat box so far. Ooh, yarn. That gets expensive for your crafters. This is Simply Soft Yarn Inspirations. 100% acrylic. It's a blue. Let me see if they have a specific Azul, A-Z-U-L. I don't know if that's just the Spanish word for I think that's the Spanish word for blue. So I don't see the exact color listed, but very pretty. And they're 100% acrylic. Ooh, here's some more. Exact same color. So you got 6 rolls of that. And what are these? These are Micron Magic. Here, I'm going to lay it down here so you can get a better look at it. And then I'm going to pull out, there's 2 sets of them.
It's filters.
Yes, allergen reduction filters, 6 packs. Fits all Generation Series models. Basically filters for your vacuum, I think.
I think your furnace, right?
Furnace? I don't know if it's for furnace or vacuum. Dust pollens. Yeah, I'll look it up. It says it's a bag, though. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll look it up. It does have a barcode on it. So we'll look it up and tell you more when we do the pricing part of the video. What is this? Oh, my word. It's a Major League Baseball Nutcracker. He is fantastic.
It's a Red Sox, right?
This is, yes. It is the Red Sox. I didn't realize that.
Very popular.
That is amazing. Yeah. So Boston Red Sox fans. Did I get that right? Boston Red Sox?
You got it right.
Yep. There you go.
Got yourself a Nutcracker.
Got yourself a Nutcracker. All right. This is a really awesome box. Okay, then we have It's Never Too Late to Be What You Might Have Been picture. That's what it says.
I have to open that thing.
Do you want to look at it better?
So it's a wall art.
Yeah, wall art.
George Eliot. It's never too late to be what you might have been.
Inspirational and motivational. Do you feel motivated? You should.
Should. Now go.
Go. Go and list. List away. Ooh, this is very lightweight. I expected it to feel heavier than it does. Okay, I'm going to move this box over so we have a little bit more room to open this. All right. Something that's very oddly shaped. Okay. Ooh, I think a clock. Overwatch. Look at that. That's
What a game.
It's a game. I think it's a video game, but look at
Is that metal?
it's plastic. It's a record.
It is. It's a vinyl record.
It's a vinyl record that's carved with hands in the middle, and then it's battery operated.
That's pretty cool.
That is super neat. I'm going to put it down before I break it. Get the box back in there. There you go. Yeah. That's is cool. Amazing. All right, I'm going to leave it open just like that because we're going to definitely show it on the pricing part. A few more things in here. This has been a really cool box. This plain white box. Let's see what's in it. candles.
Candles.
Let's see what they look like. If I can get it open without breaking them. Here we go. A set of 4 battery-operated candles.
Was a nice base.
Plow and hearth. They are plastic,
They
but
look metal.
they look metal. They have a bronze kind of look to them.
Nice.
Yeah, those are nice. I guess you should just like unscrew the top or something to put the batteries in. Those are beautiful. So you get a set of 4. Awesome. Those are cool. Very, very nice stuff in this box. Okay. What is this? I don't know what that means.
What did it say? Shiva what?
Shiva Nature, Nataraja.
No idea.
Maybe something that means nature. That would be my only guess. Okay, something that's very well packaged. Trying to get the styrofoam out. Okay. It's never been opened. Till now, sorry. But I want to see what it is.
Oh, Shiva.
Oh,
Was it an Indian god? Or a
maybe.
Hindu god?
Maybe. Standing on a baby or something.
It is standing on a child, yes.
Yes.
Little difference?
Yeah. Different.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have, what is this? Something in lots of bubble wrap. Says glass 3 liters. This looks like a lid of some sort. There's that. Oh, it's a nice, like, deep casserole dish. Kind of. Look at that. So.
That's nice.
That's super
What did you
nice.
say, 3 liters?
Yeah, 3 liters. No, this one says 4 liters. The outside said 3 liters, but this is actually 3 plus 1 liter. I don't know why they would do it, but it's 4 liters and
4, was it 4.1?
4 comma 1 quart. Yeah, 4 and 1 quart maybe.
Yeah.
It's a 13-inch by 7.9-inch oval, basically casserole dish.
Cool.
That's a very pretty casserole dish. All right, we're going to price everything, get right back at you, and like I said, if you're interested in anything, I would love a screenshot or a timestamp of where we show the item on the video, so we have the exact item that you're interested in when you send me your email of what you want. So let's price it. All right, we got everything priced, so let's go ahead and go through all the prices of each item, just so you know how much we're going to be charging for it. So here are 2 sets of vacuum bags. We're going to put those on Amazon for $8.50 after fees. So they cost a lot more than $8.50, but we're going to get $8.50 after fees. Then we have the home motion sensor for $20. We're going to put that on Amazon for $20 after fees as well. Then we have the 4-pack of DIY design your own bracelets, $5 for that whole box. Then this amazing 4-quart clear casserole dish, $25 for that. Then $10 for the 3-pack of yarn. We have 2 of them available at $10. Then we have the Velcro adhesive, $5 for the box of that. And then we have the amazing, this is actually a 30-minute glass white sand timer that we're going to charge $10 for is all. Then we have the round tablecloth, $5, 60 inches. And then we have the Kissing Salt and Pepper Dachshunds for $10. And then we have the Kurt Adler Red Sox Nutcracker, 20 bucks for that. Then we have the 4-pack of cool looking battery operated candles, $20 for that. And then we have the $15 basically Moscow Mule Mug copper, 100% copper, comes with 2 shot glasses too, $15 for that whole set. Then we have the cool wall art that says it's never too late to be what you might have been, George Eliot, $10 for that. And then we're going to do some just kind of nice bundles. So we've got the graduation plates with the green tablecloth and the napkins, 10 bucks for that set. And then up here we have the 3 packs of yellow plates and the napkins and 2 of the round tablecloths for $10 for that. And then we have this amazing Overwatch clock made with a vinyl record, $20 for that, and that is a steal because all the other vinyl records that were made into clocks like that were around the $50 mark, $45 to $50 depending on the type of style, and this one's very intricate in comparison to those. So total that brings us to $222. We're going to minus the $87 that we paid for this box, brings us to a total profit of $135. Not too bad for one home box. Like I said, really interesting box. You never knew you needed this stuff till now. And since you need it, you're going to contact me at hookedonpickin.com. Shoot me an email or a timestamp of when you saw the specific item and tell me what you want. And then I will send you an invoice and you can have it in your home. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, and it encourages other people to watch the video as well. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know anytime that I put a video out. Also, go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of my fun finds.